Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Our interview this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our
Yes,
YouTube
ma'am.
channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you
Yes.
healthy or do you have any health issues?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
Are you sure that you are healthy? Because
I'm healthy, ma'am.
you
I'm
are
sure.
healthy. Because we don't want
Yes.
to waste our time also here. If you think that you are not healthy, then you don't need to come here and work abroad, okay? You need to stay in the Philippines. Don't give us trouble. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
So you are healthy, yeah?
Yes, ma'am. I'm confident I'm healthy.
Okay, very good. So can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Genevieve Taneo. I'm 35 years old. Single mother. I have one kid from Philippines. And I'm undergraduate college level from Bachelor of Library Information Science from Bulacan State University here in Philippines.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. You are a single mother.
Yes, ma'am.
You
I
don't
have
have
one.
so you don't have any live-in partner.
I don't have.
Are you sure you don't have? Later, once you reach here in Malaysia, if got some problem, oh, my live-in partner don't want me to do this to do that. Are you sure that you don't have live-in partner?
No, ma'am.
Sure, ah?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your child?
He's turning 2 years old this coming March 11.
2 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I need to know some few more details from you. Do you have passport?
Yes, ma'am. I have.
Okay. When is your birthday?
November 19, 1989.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 4'8", and my weight is 52
What
kilogram.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic, ma'am.
Okay, you mentioned that you are a undergraduate in college, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You are a single mother and this is your first time working abroad. So who will going to take care of your kid once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother, ma'am.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
She's 59 years old. Sorry, 58 years old, and she's on a plain housewife.
Okay, how many brother and sister do you have?
I have one brother and I have one sister.
What is your rank in your family?
I am the youngest of the
You are the
family.
youngest. So who will going to take care of this? Your mother will going to take care of your child, right?
Yes,
Does
ma'am.
your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. We're talking about that.
So we don't want later to hear from you that my family wanted and asked me to go back home in the Philippines once you come to work here. No such a thing because you were going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching of contract will have a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes, ma'am. I know that, ma'am.
Do you have any working experience as a housemaid in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am. I have worked here August 4, 2024, up to now.
August, September, October, November, December, January, February. So until recently, you work in
Yeah,
which place in the Philippines?
they are here in Pasig.
Okay, what are your duties to your previous employment?
Taking care of the first is taking care of the baby, and cleaning, a little bit of cooking, and washing the clothes, ironing. That's all.
How old is the baby that you take care?
When I was she's 1 years old, newborn baby, and now he's 5 months old.
Okay, so until now, you're still working to your employer.
Yes, ma'am.
What comes up to your mind that you wanted to work abroad? Do you know that being a domestic helper is not that so easy?
Because I need to give a better future for my child also.
Okay, so you cannot easily go back home, okay? You need to endure, you need to embrace the pain, you need to embrace the homesickness, you know that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you need to do house chores also, and you need to be flexible. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to do whatever task.
Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can
I
you
can
take
take
care elderly people?
elderly. Yes, I can.
Can you cook?
Not so much good, but I'm willing to learn. There's a
Okay.
YouTube.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
I think no, ma'am. I
It's
don't have any of
okay. Are you
that.
comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am. A small pet.
Are you afraid of any dogs or cats, rabbits, or what kind and what virus kinds of pets?
Except snake.
Okay, so can you take care pets? You can take care, yeah.
Yeah.
Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for like you cannot hold your phone during working time? Are you aware of it?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
You can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day. And you will
Okay.
render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. On your rest day,
Okay.
also, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out. On your rest day, you will going to stay inside the employer's house only. And if you will work on your rest day, of course, the employer will going to compensate your salary. Which means in our contract right now, we have 1,800 in our contract every month. But if you will work on your rest day, you could have 2,080 ringgit. So are you okay with our terms and conditions?
Yes, ma'am.
How sure and how agree you are that you are okay with our terms and conditions, because we don't want to have such a problem later once you come to work here in Malaysia.
I don't have friends there, so why do I have to have a day off? So I need to focus my job, and at the same time they pay me. So
So always think and always remind yourself why you wanted to go and work abroad. You're not
yeah,
coming here to do shopping, to find boyfriend or whatsoever you wanted. In Philippines, we can do whatever we want. We can find boyfriend there. We can go out anywhere, everywhere, but no in other countries. We need to follow
yeah,
the rules and regulations of our own employer. We need to respect them because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years.
yes,
You okay with the job scope, you are agree with the terms and conditions, then what more you can ask for, you right?
yeah,
Okay,
yes.
so how are you gonna fight your homesickness knowing that this is your first time working abroad?
I'm gonna busy myself working, or sometimes if I'm done working, I can call them once I finish my work. So I'm gonna miss out my homesick.
Okay, so I give you a scenario. Okay, what will you do if like your employer is keep on following you, like you are doing the chores inside the house, but wherever you go, the employer always following you? What will you do?
And just it's okay, and just keep on going my work. To I will show them that my work is done, or I'm completely doing my work during that time.
Okay, so will you feel irritated or will you show your sour face if like that?
No, of course not. They are
Are-
my employer.
Okay, so always remind yourself that you cannot come here in Malaysia without your employer. Okay?
Yes,
If you didn't agree with the job scope, then definitely you're not coming here. And you
yes,
also agree with our terms and conditions in our initial interview in the first place. Okay?
yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
so
ma'am.
I think that's all. Thank you for your time, Jenny Beth, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. So anything, if there is a salesperson sending you a message through your WhatsApp, please reply them, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Because
you,
they are
ma'am.
the one looking employer for you. Okay, yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.
Okay, bye.